New tonight, Colorado has now reported its first confirmed case of the measles in 2 years.
State health officials are now saying it's an unvaccinated Pueblo man. Lab results came back positive yesterday. Denver 7's Veronica Acosta joins us in studio tonight.
Yeah, this is not a measles outbreak in the state of Colorado. That's the most important thing to remember tonight. That would require 3 or more confirmed cases of the infectious disease. We have 1. Despite that, providers and health experts say they've been planning for this for weeks. Today was a perfect example of that.
Getting to Joe's Shoemaker School for a free vaccine clinic was a no-brainer for some parents. The urgency becoming clearer after the Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment reported the state's first confirmed case of the measles in more than a year.
Measles is also not just a rash illness. Measles is actually a severe infection.
CDPHE says an unvaccinated Pueblo man traveled to Mexico contracting the disease there, potentially exposing others at 2 separate locations in Pueblo, which is where contact tracing is now happening.
It's important to know that the infectious period, or the time that you can spread measles to other people when you are sick, starts 4 days before that rash develops and lasts to about 4 days after that rash develops.
Dr. Rachel Herlihy, the state's top doctor, says the best course of action right now is making sure you're vaccinated.
1 dose of the vaccine is highly effective. We estimate 93% effectiveness. That goes up to 97% with a second dose of vaccine.
With ongoing outbreaks in other states, Denver Health chose to prepare for this very moment.
We knew that it was not if it was coming to Colorado, it was when it was going to come to Colorado.
Setting up a vaccine clinic at a school to help protect those at risk.
It's one of the most important things we can do to abate this problem that's going on through our country.
Signing up and showing up, the simplest way some chose to protect themselves, their families, and others.
So health officials believe the first case in Colorado is limited to Pueblo. As for that free vaccine clinic, there's another one tomorrow at the Joe Shoemaker School. That's going to happen from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m.
Thank you, Veronica. And digging deeper, groups are speaking out about the dangers of vitamin A overdoses as Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. continues to promote it as a treatment for the measles. In multiple interviews with ABC News, he's made claims that vitamin A and cod liver oil could help to treat measles. But medical reference publications, including the Merck manual, say too much vitamin A can cause headaches and even lead to chronic toxicity. The Council for Responsible Nutrition, a trade association for dietary supplements, saying, quote, "This use is a targeted short-term medical intervention, not a preventative measure, and should only be done under the direction of a qualified healthcare professional."
Going by the numbers, the CDC reports as of March 27th, a total of 483 confirmed measles cases were reported in 20 states. The majority of cases are impacting youth ages 5 to 19, followed by children under 5.